I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to download your account statements on Kraken, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account. Go to the Kraken website and enter your login credentials. Make sure you're reusing a secure internet connection. Step 2. Navigate to the Reports section. Once logged in, find the Reports section in the main menu. This is where you can access all your account statements. Step 3. Select the type of report. In the Reports section, choose the type of report you want to download, such as account statements or trade history. This will filter the data you need. Step 4. Set the date range. Specify the date range for the statements you want to download. Make sure to double check the dates to avoid missing any important information. Step 5. Download the report. After setting the date range, click the download button. Your report will be saved in a CSV format, which you can open in spreadsheet software. Remember, if you don't see the report you expected, check if the date range was set correctly. Happy trading!